This one's kind of funny. So when it comes to what Empire can do for you, it has a lot to do with why you should choose us and, why some of these other companies out there might not be the best choice. But there was one particular project when we found out that this roof had been replaced not even a year before. And we went out to inspect, and it was done so incorrectly that we could not repair it and make it anywhere near leak-proof. We had to tear the entire thing off and provide this client with an actual roof that was done to spec. I felt bad for the client that they had gone through what they had went through, but we replaced it, and it's good, and he's got a quality roof that he doesn't have to worry about for a long time.